Hello everyone. My name is Ram. You all know me, Ram Morla, and you can follow me on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and of course on YouTube. Right. Artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is nothing but capable giving a machine a capability of thinking independently and making recommendations or taking decisions or doing certain things, identifying people, etc., etc. So, especially artificial intelligence is three types: sensory, comprehension, and activities. In sensory, you have different kinds of things like computer vision, audio processing. Like, for example, computer vision, if there are 200 people in a group, taking pictures of all those 200 people, identifying people by name. That's one classic example. The other one is listening to 100 people in the room, making tying the audio, the speeches to appropriate people. And just a few examples I'm giving you. These are not the only things, right? So comprehension. So you or anybody can go and ask questions in your own language. It could be English, German, French, Telugu, English, Hindi, you name it, name the language. You can use the natural language, what you speak. You don't have to worry about the structured query languages like SQL, Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, etc. Knowledge representation. So basically, making it will create information out of the data and represent that information to you. And activities, machine learning, recommendation systems, like what kind of books you can read, what kind of movies you can see based on your tastes, what genres, and what kind of different kinds of recommendations. And then expert systems. So basically, how is your organization performing? How will your organization will perform in 5 years time, and all these kind of things. Just a few examples, not complete examples, not complete use cases. There are just a few use cases, right? And a few more use cases, right? So basically, in energy and utilities, financial services, travel and hospitality, manufacturing, retail, healthcare, and life sciences, right? So, for example, in energy, power usage analysis, how to reduce the usage, how to increase the profitability, how to reduce the cost of the energy, and all these kind of things. Cost of products, financial services, cost of products, customer segmentation, customer attrition reduction, etc. Travel and hospitality, again, customer attrition reduction, dynamic pricing. Like, for example, 20 people wants to go to Hyderabad from London. So the airlines will be able to decide the pricing based on either it is 20 people or 200 people or 500 people looking for tickets on on websites or telephone calls and all these kind of things. Manufacturing, how to improve the manufacturing processes, how to reduce the costs again, how to forecast the demand as much as accurately as possible, process optimization, and telematics. And retail, what is necessary, what gets sold, how to reduce the churn rate. Healthcare, how to make sure that certain ailments are not uh, how to avoid certain ailments in the neighborhood, etc. So this is a simple quantitative model example. This is nothing but a sum of uh, rate squares or daily gain, price gains, square of the price gain, whole square rooted, which will give you the predictable share price of a specific share ticker if you have about a 1 year's worth of data. right? So coming to artificial intelligence, there are three things that you need to worry about. First one is the strategy, and second one is the technology, and the third one is the data. So any one of these three things is missing, then the artificial intelligence is not possible. The key statistics, right? Two-thirds of senior decision makers do agree that artificial intelligence is fundamental of their organization strategy. By 2022, those currently are planning to use artificial intelligence technology and expect 39% boost to their organization's revenue, which makes which is a good news because the number of jobs will increase. 7 in 10 organizations that have replaced or plan to replace roles with technology will retain or redeploy those who are displaced by the technology. Reasons for using artificial intelligence, like automation that eliminates manual and repetitive tasks, automated communications that give consumers data that they can use to take effective decisions, automated data driven reporting, automated communications that give firms data that can use to make effective business decisions, and of course many other things, right? So there is a lot of adoption on the IoT and smart sensors, Internet of Things and smart sensors. Artificial intelligence, of course, there is second largest. Blockchain, augmented reality and virtual reality, robotics, autonomous robots. When I said robotics and autonomous robots, these are not man human looking bots. These are everywhere. Many of the robots, they are invisible. 3D printing, autonomous vehicles, wearables, text analytics. So leading sectors, healthcare is the top sector, retail is the next top sector, consumer packaged goods like FMCG, energy and resources, petrol, gas, electricity, financial services, the top construction, transportation and logistics, automotive assembly, and all these kind of things. So these are the fields which are leading, while high-tech telecommunications, education, travel and tourism, professional services, these are the lagging areas for the. So anyway, going forward, there will be a huge shift between this place to this place. So keep an eye on this space. So machine learning. So if you are actually uh, implementing a machine learning to deploy the artificial intelligence, step one is always gather the data and make sure that data is fit for purpose. That is step two. Step three is build the right machine learning algorithm. Step four is gain insights using these algorithms and then visualize the data. Different sectors: transportation, health, water, technology, environment, traffic. These are the different sectors, not the complete list of sectors, but a few sectors. Driving force behind artificial intelligence, competitive advantage, executive led decisions, particular business, operational, technological problems, internal experimentation, customer demands, unexpected solution to problem, and artificial intelligence project because of some other project that came into picture. Core areas: sensory artificial intelligence, physical industrial automations, cognitive artificial intelligence such as workers training, general artificial intelligence, high precision learning from small data sets, research on new algorithms, explainable artificial intelligence. Anyway, so tomorrow we are going to I'm going to show you a practical videos on how to do a regression analysis using Python and all these kind of things. Thank you. You can contact me in any one of these details. Have a great day. Bye bye.